two cool Halloween-inspired props you can build from cardboard. It's Halloween season, and the beauty of it is in dressing up your cool scary costumes. And this video will show you some cool cardboard masks you can make to dress up for Halloween. At number 2, we have the Squid Game pink soldier mask made from cardboard. It's easy to build and you can see through it, basically what you should be able to do with every mask. And when you combine it with a red or pink hoodie, it gives you that cool Squid Game pink soldier vibes for Halloween. If you want to see how to make one, there's a video card on your screen right now. And also there's a free template link in that video to help you easily make your own Squid Game pink soldier mask. So go watch now and enjoy. At number 1, and this is my favorite, we have the chainsawman cosplay helmet from cardboard. It even has a working chainsaw. How cool is that? So what do you think, guys? How cool are these? Anyway, thanks for watching. If you want to see how to make any of these cool cardboard crafts, click on any of the end screen videos showing right now. Until next time, be creative and happy Halloween.